I said, first of all, we were occupied by Haiti. We then were occupied by the United States twice in the 20th century. In 1916, we were occupied by the United States for 8 years, just like Haiti. We were occupied by the United States in 1965. First of all, Lucia, there are only two countries in Latin America that did not achieve their independence from Spain. That is Panama and the Dominican Republic. Our independence happened from Haiti. We declared what we call an ephemeral independence in 1821. And within a month or so, Haitians occupied our side of the island as well. So we were under Haitian occupation for 22 years, from 1822 until 1844, when we declared independence. But then, for the next 12 years, Haitian armies continued to invade the Dominican Republic